Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make an animated text in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new project. You're going to find open a project, new team projects, and here you're going to find open team project. So right here, you're going to find the option to create a new project. So I'm going to click on create new and then go ahead and choose the media file you want to work with. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see guys, now the media file is added to my timeline right here. So right now, in order to add a text, just go here to the top and then right next to the pen tool, you're going to find the horizontal type tool. You can either click on it or you can click on Control plus T on your keyboard and then you go ahead and click on the place where you want to type and then just type anything that you want. So for example, I'm going to type tutorial and as you can see, guys, right now, go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to stretch the text a little bit like this, and then make it here in the center. So basically, guys, right now, in order to animate your text, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and make sure you select it. And then once you select it, just go ahead and here in the left side or in the right side of your screen, you're going to find effects and presets. So basically, guys, you can use all of these effects on your text. So here you're going to find the animation presets, 3D channel, audio, blur and sharpen, voice and effects, mocha, and so on. So I'm going to go to animation presets. And then, for example, I'm going to go to dissolves, transitions, and then as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these options. For example, if you want to apply this one, just go ahead and drag it to the text layer like this. And then as you can see, guys, you can use all of these options for this text right here. So for example, I'm going to play the video. And as you can see, guys, right now the text is animated. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.